Now I'm going to try pane con milza, lung and spleen. This guy, we've done, where is he? Anthony Bourdain, Rick Stein, Andrew Zimmerman, Rick Steve. You got to come here. Vucciria. It's raining, but look at how many people are still here and are trying his beautiful lung and spleen sandwich. If you think about what it is, you won't eat it. If you just eat it for the culture and for something that you've never had before, the tour guide was saying that has about the Jewish heritage in the Palermo region. Wow. See you soon. I hope you're enjoying my first day of my tour with the lovely Jordana and the rest of them. See you soon.